Hello guys, how are you doing? How are you holding up? We are going to make fried mashed potato balls. You heard me right, fried mashed potato balls. Even started waiting with anticipation for this. Now I've seen these all over Pinterest and they look delicious. They look like a great way to use up your Thanksgiving leftover mashed potatoes. If you have any. But if you don't, just make them. I'm just going to take a little bit of baller here. Form a little ball. I'm going to stick it in the freezer for about an hour. And then we will roll them in an egg wash. Put them in breading and fry them. Alright guys, we're just going to do one more. Now if you don't have one of these little melon baller things or cookie scoops, don't worry about it. Just use a Play-Doh teaspoon. Alright, I'm going to turn you guys off. Get this done. Now bring it back and we will fry these babies off. Alright guys, are you ready? Now, it has been about an hour since I put these potato balls in the freezer. Now, I know for you it's only been a few minutes, but it has been about an hour. So we're going to take these little potato balls. Let me make sure you're seeing what I'm doing. We'll flip them around. You have to cover them. The spoon is just so that I can work with it and not have to worry about getting my hands all gunky. I'm going to do one more. And there's 16 of these, by the way. That's what I got. Roll it all around, and then in it goes. Alright, you know what? Screw this. I'm trying to be civil, but it's not going to work. We have fruit flies, terrible here. Usually if you just keep like one hand for the dry, one hand for the wet, it seems to work pretty good, as you see. There we go. Alright, I am going to shut you off. Now I'll bring you back when I pull these out. Alright guys, they are out. And let me zoom you in. I'm not sure what happened. I mean, they look so nice. Had so much potential. Let's flip one over. Oh, the bottom is nice and crispy. But I'm not sure what happened. As you see, some of them spread out. And yeah, you're going to hear Sarge bouncing around. Personally, I think there's something I didn't do that I should have done. Oh my god, I just got 8 licks of delight. Here we go. I'm going to go back to the drawing board on these and see what I did wrong. I'm not sure, but I will figure it out and I'll let you know so that you don't do it wrong. Now, if you see this and you know what I did, hey, please feel free to let me know. Otherwise, these are pretty good. This is not bad. I still think they would make a great little appetizer for a ball game or something like that. Alright guys, I will see you later.